In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva with your Wix website. This is a simple but powerful way to showcase your Canva designs directly on your site, making your pages look more dynamic and visually appealing. Let's jump right in, starting with your Canva project. First, you'll want to open Canva and choose the design you'd like to embed. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll be using a sample template, but you can use any design that suits your needs. Once you're satisfied with your creation, take a moment to ensure everything is just right, because from here, we'll be moving this design over to your Wix site. When your design is ready to go, you'll want to locate the Share button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the Canva interface. Clicking on this will bring up a menu with several options. You'll want to click on the option that says See All because Canva offers a variety of different sharing methods. From here, select the Embed option, and you'll notice there's an HTML embed code generated specifically for your design. This code is the key to bringing your visual masterpiece onto your Wix site, so go ahead and copy it. Now let's head over to the Wix editor where we'll embed your Canva design. In the editor, you'll look for the left-hand menu, which is where you'll find the Add Elements section. This area allows you to customize your site by adding various features and interactive components. Here we're going to select Embed Code, and within that, choose the Embed HTML option. A box will pop up, which is where you'll need to paste the HTML embed code you've just copied from Canva. Once you've pasted the code into the designated field, your Canva design will instantly appear on your website. It's really as simple as that. Now your design is visible, and this is where you can have a bit of creative fun. Wix offers a lot of flexibility, so feel free to move the design around, resize it, or place it anywhere on your page that feels right. The beauty of this integration is that it's all seamless, ensuring your design fits perfectly with the rest of your site layout. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've successfully embedded your Canva design into your Wix site, giving your pages a fresh and visually stunning look. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.